Today we're on a broiler farm looking at the new eFlush regulator from Lubing. The eFlush now comes with a half-turn knob that turns you into flush very easily, along with the pressure adjustment on the bottom. I get asked a lot how to measure water column properly. And when it comes to measuring that, there's two ways to look at it. You can look at visible or actual. We like to measure by actual at Lubing. And in doing that, that means that you measure from where the diaphragm is in the middle of the regulator up to wherever your ball height is. On our regulators, you're about 2 inches once you get into the standpipe. Once you can see the ball floating, you're at 2.5 to 3 inches. For instance, the birds on this farm today are 20 days old, which means when paired with our drinking system, they need to be pushing 40 milliliters of water out of the nipple. That's based on the idea that if you take bird age in days plus 20 milliliters is how much water you should be getting in a minute. So when paired with the OptiGrow and our eFlush regulator, our ball height should be right at this 3 to 3.5 inch mark, which is where we are today. When it comes to measuring water volume and water pressure, the standpipe's a good quick check, but I find it most important to actually know what is coming out of the nipple. To do that is you need to take something and be able to gather the water out of it. That way you can see exactly how many milliliters per minute you're getting to the actual birds. Every farm is a little different and everybody has to manage slightly different. So there's no one clear-cut way to do it. But if you know what is actually coming out of your nipple and going to the bird, you can rest assured that your birds will be well hydrated.